Okay, so welcome back once again, and today, as you can see, I'm surrounded by pretty classic cars. And yeah, so today I'm visiting Autostorica, which is the main sponsor of Meet and Drive. And just to show you how ridiculous this place is, I'm just gonna show you this car. Boom! Well, so the car right now, it's being bit, let's say, improved. As you can see, all the electronics in there are being replaced. They just paint the wheels. As you can see, spare wheel in there, battery. Yeah, but I mean, just check this thing out. It looks super badass with the doors like that. Oh my fucking god. And just look at the air intakes. I think that's the prettiest car I ever seen. Oh my god. Dudes of this car. This is a 275 Ferrari, and it's about 2.5 million euro value right now. I mean, just ridiculous. You see these rolls? This is a Ferrari Dino. Come on. Okay, so this right here, it's a Lola. It's from the year 1966, and so basically it weighs around 600 kilos, I've been told, and it has around 500 horsepower. So yeah, pretty crazy ratio for the car it is. It has a V8 in the mid of the car. It's a Chevy V8, and yeah, just look at the tiny difference between the engine and the head of the driver, like just crazy. So you're basically having a V8 just there in the back of your head. It's just crazy. Look at the back of this car. I mean, I haven't even heard it, but it has to be crazy. Just found the most comfortable car in the world right now. I mean, this is a crazy Alpha car. Look at the back, it's all wooden. Oh, here is also in wood. This, I actually don't want to move from here. Oh, it has no battery. Okay, but yeah, just check out those details. Like, posacenere, si dice in italiano. Yeah. Okay, so that's interior of a 2.5 million euro car. 275. Nice. Love this leather. The tiles are really classic. Wood in here. Really nice. Gear stick. Nice. Me ha jodido el vídeo. Una, dos. Ahí está. Ahí sale alguien.
No, da igual.
No, tú también vas fino. Por esas razones debería...
Vale, desde allí... En la diagonal aquí, perfecto. La esquinica. Vale, márcame la autostórica.
I mean, that's a really cool thing. You can see like what's the chassis, the transmission, the engine, but you don't have the car indeed, so pretty cool thing to see. As you can see, they have the clutch and the brake, not yet a pedal. I think that's a Jaguar. That's really cool to see. That is crazy. That's a Shelby GT350. If you tell me that I will see one of those in Spain, I'll be laughing really hard. That's the original badge even. How crazy is that? Another Mustang. I mean, I'm not even surprised of see those many Ferraris and stuff. Like, you get used to it once you work in here. That's apparently that has been imported from the US. That's a serious car right there. We came here to check out some of the cars that they have, and also take some pictures so we can make some promotions on further events and stuff like that. I mean, there's a speedboat in here for some reason. You know, that's why this place is ridiculous. Venga, va! Okay, I have not a lot of time to vlog, because like we're closing this down now, and it's already pretty late, and they just left it open for us. But I think I cannot show every single car that I want to show, because as you can see, it's pretty, I mean, the Tommaso Pantera with a racing package, with roll cage and all that stuff. Formula School right there. That's a Porsche diesel tractor. Yeah, apparently we have some work to do moving this car, so I'm just gonna shut this and help them a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.